So we finally got some movement on the daily. We've had a nice solid bearish candle closure from yesterday, and now price is starting to push down. So looking at the daily, I'm happy to now start looking for shorts to play the pullback. So I've already looked at the 30-minute this morning, and we have a few POIs. So we have this POI here, which is just above this session high here. We have this POI right here, and we have this POI right here. So we've got 3 POIs to choose from. So first of all, we can see where our last breaker structure was. So that was the high. We had a breaker structure there, then a breaker structure there. So this was our most recent breaker structure right here. So we've just had about a breaker structure to the downside now. So we know price is now bearish. So usually I would just take a trade at every POI, but what I've also started to do is map the best POI to take using the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see our 3 POIs, but the daily POI is just here. So we can eliminate 1 POI there and go from our first one. So price is more likely to probably push up into the daily areas. So what we also can do is we're working in this range here. This is our high. We could continue to come lower, but at the moment, if we go from our low to high, our 50%, our premium POIs are above this one and this one. So these are 2 POIs I'm going to be looking to trade from. So we are in the pullback phase now. So we're looking to take a trade up in these POIs and take it down to premium, to discount pricing of the daily range, to then play the reversal. So there's a few ways you can do this as well. From these POIs, the most I take is a 1 to 10. So if the 1 to 10 could be way before that down here. So we know the entries we need to take is an LC1 or an LC2. LC1, the POI will get rejected completely, and then candle closure in our direction. That's how we take it. LC2 is if the candle closes inside it, and if I get an entry here, the most I'll be taking is a 1 to 10, and the 1 to 10 has to be before or in discount pricing on the higher time frame. So our breaker structure, daily breaker structure is there, our lows there, our highs here. So first POI there is where I'll be looking for our reversal. So this is our target. Now, like I said, all I take is a 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 could be way before that, which it probably will be, as we got so far to go. Or you can target all the way down there. It doesn't matter. But for me, I just target a 1 to 10. So yeah, that is our GER40 analysis this morning. We've got our daily range. We've now got confirmation of the pullback starting, and I'm happy to now take shorts into discount pricing. So that's if we get a solid entry at these POIs. So yeah, that's it for GER40 analysis this morning.